Good morning, children. Everyone are safe? Yes, ma'am. What is our fifth lesson? Yes, sir. That is our seventh lesson. Yes, what is it? It is about handicrafts and handlooms. What is it? It is about handicrafts and handlooms. So, children, in the last classes, we have learned about the handicrafts and also we have learned about the handlooms. We have learned about the handlooms. Yes, children, in the handlooms, what we have learned? We have learned about a place that is Pochampalli, which is in Yadadri district. And what the sarees they are weaving there? They are weaving Ikat sarees, Pochampalli, or it is also called as Bandhani sarees. And we have seen also the stages of weaving, dyeing of the yarn, everything we are seeing. Yes, today we are going to learn a very good thing, very new thing. Yes, sir, what is that? Yeah, about your family, we are going to learn. Your family who is weaving the saree, who are weaving the saree. Full family they are there. In that family, the headman is Jagatayya. Who is he? He is Jagatayya. Who is he? He is Jagatayya. Yes, sir, we are learning today what about the handlooms. Already we have learned how they are weaving the sarees. The stages of weaving the sarees we have seen, and dyeing of yarn also we have seen. Yes, ma'am. And what is work, what is weft also we have seen. Yes, today we are going to learn about the family of Pochampalli resident. Who is he? Yes, he is Jagatayya. Who is he? He is Jagatayya. What is his name? His name is Jagatayya. Jagatayya. Yes, he is a resident of Pochampalli. He is a resident of Pochampalli. Along his family, yes, his wife, his son, his daughter-in-law. Yes, everyone are working. Everyone are working in this doing sarees. And he had three children. He had three grandchildren. They are going to the school. And Jagatayya, what work is doing? He is wounding the yarn. Yes, sir, he is wounding the yarn. I will show the picture. Yes, sir, Jagatayya, what is doing? He is wounding the yarn. He is wounding the hand. Before he used to do on the loom. Yes, sir, but as he is become older, he is wounding on the loom. This one. And Murali, his son Murali, is working on the pit loom. He is working on the pit loom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Son Murali engaged weaving the maggam, that is pit loom, which is set up inside the house only. And his wife, daughter-in-law, do the bobbin work. Yes, sir. His wife and daughter-in-law, you can see his wife, Jagatayya's wife. Yes, you can see Jagatayya's wife. What is doing? They are doing bobbin work. Yes. And some work like warping is done by the group of the people. Yes, sir. Warping. We have said threads runs from the top to the bottom. Yes, you can see here. Yes, sir, you can see here. Warping work is done by the group of the people outside the house. Warping is done, yes, sir, outside the house. Yes, children. Yes. And Murali brings dyed silk yarn, jari and design from cooperative society and master weaver. Yes, sir, the raw materials required for weaving a saree. Who will bring? Murali, Jagatayya's son. Murali is going to bring. What is going to bring? He is going to bring a silk yarn. Who is it? Murali, the son of Jagatayya, is going to bring the raw materials to weave the saree. What are those? They are silk yarn. Already we have seen the raw materials required. Yes, sir. Jari and design also. Design. These three things he is going to bring from where? Not from the market. He is going to bring from the cooperative, sometimes from the market also, and some cooperative societies and master weaver. He is going to bring from the cooperative societies and master weavers. And you will get all the material, and all the material you will get for weaving 8 For weaving 8 sarees, full materials you will get. Yes, sir. For weaving 8 sarees, whole family will work. Yes, sir. For weaving 8 sarees you will get it. And whole family will engage in this work. And daily how many hours they will do? Daily they will work for 12 to 15 hours now. See, daily they will work for 12 to 15 hours and they will work for 50 days. They will work for 50 days to make 8 sarees. They will work for 50 days to make 8 sarees. Yes, and each saree cost will be 1200. Each saree, one saree cost will be how much? 1200 rupees only. Yes, weaving sarees is a hereditary occupation for Jagatayya's family. Weaving saree is a hereditary. What do you mean by hereditary? Hereditary means in Telugu we will say from Vamsha Paraparaya. Like that we are going to say. Hereditary. It is hereditary occupation for them. It is a hereditary occupation for them. Yes, the income Jagatayya's family getting, you see, only 1200. 1200 for one saree. And for 50 days they are making how many sarees? 8 sarees. So how much they are getting? Very less income they are getting, which is insufficient to run the family. Which is very insufficient to run the family. Yes, and not only that, one more problem also they are facing. What is that? In the month of March and June, in the month of March, April, yes, June, yes, what will happen? May, March, April, May. Yes, how is the temperature will be? Temperature will be very hot. Temperature will be very hot. And they are unable to weave the cloth, weave the sarees. Why? Because, tell me, why? Because means the thread is going to cut. The thread is going to be cut. Yes, sir. So they will work only till 1 o'clock. They will work only till 1 o'clock. Yes, ma. Till 1 o'clock it will be little bit cool. After 1, how hot it will be. After 12 only it will be very hot. Because of that, they will work only for half a day. Yes. And the women, and not only that, the women in this family, who is there? Jagatayya's wife and Murali's wife. That is Jagatayya's daughter-in-law. They are very distressed with the work. Why? Because means they have to do the household work. Yes, sir, they have to cook, they have to fetch the water, they have to clean. Yes, sir, and they have to get ready the children to send to the school. And not only that, they are doing the bobbin work also. So they are very distressed. They are very distressed. Yes, sir, the women of this family are very distressed. And not only that, some more tools are there which they are using. What are the tools they are using? Yes, sir, they are chitkasu, that is a curved frame made from the weft ikat with pegs on which the weft threads are grooved and tied for dyeing. And pani, it is also called reed, achu, head shaft, thread and rubber tubing were used for different tasks in producing ikat sarees. These are also some tools used by them. Yes. Then if you see here, Jagatayya families, the income they are getting very insufficient. So what they will do? They are working, Jagatayya family is working for, yes, I said already, Murali is getting all these things from where? From the cooperative society and also from the master weaver. Yes, and he will give the work to them. Master weaver will give the work to them. So now we are going to see, yes, a Jagatayya family weaves sarees for cooperative societies. So if they are working for the cooperative societies, any advantage is there? Yes, many advantages are there if Jagatayya is working for the cooperative society. What are the advantages are there? Yes, sir. And not only that, if you wanted to work for the cooperative society, we have to be the member for it. Yes, sir, we have to be the member for it. So Murali was the member for cooperative society. Murali was member for the cooperative society. And now we are going to see, if we are working for cooperative societies, what are the advantages we are getting? What are the advantages we are getting? Advantages if you work for the cooperative societies. are not giving more work for them. Yes, the advantages of weaving sarees for cooperative societies are they will provide financial assistance. One is what? Provide financial assistance. Provide financial assistance. Yes, provide financial assistance. Yes, they will provide financial assistance. Next one, provide insurance. They will provide the insurance. They will provide the insurance. For what? For their illness. For their illness, for their sickness. Yes, sir. And death. They will provide the insurance in case of illness. In case of illness and death. Yes, not only this, many are there, ma. Like helps in getting loans also. Helps in getting loans. Helps in getting loans. Getting loans. Yes, not only this. Yes, buys and supplies raw materials. Buys and supplies raw materials in bulk. We have seen already that for 8 sarees they will get at a time. Collection of stock from weavers. Marketing, selling it through the network of shops. Helps in to establish direct contact between the weavers and contractors. All this, so many helps are, advantages are there if they work for the cooperative societies. But not only that, yes, so much help is there we are saying. But these cooperative societies nowadays they are not giving the work for them. They are not giving the work for them. And we said Janakaya family, they are the members in that cooperative society, and they were there like that only, so that a hope will be improved. A hope is there that in the future cooperative societies are going to give the work for them. They are going to give the work for them. And now next topic we are going to learn, and we are going to complete our lesson with this. What is that? Weavers' problems and cooperative societies. Weavers' problems and cooperative societies. Next we are learning about the weavers' problems and cooperative societies. And cooperative societies. Yes, Telangana is one of the state in India which has large number of handlooms. But the last decades, what happened? Handloom weavers have been facing a serious problem. Yes, sir. What is that? Very stiff competition. Very stiff competition they are facing. Yes, sir. They are facing very stiff competition from whom? From machine made. From machine made clothes. Yes, sir. From mill made clothes. They are facing very stiff competition from the power loom and mill made. From whom? From power loom and mill made. From power loom and mill made cloth. Yes, sir. Why? Because in this what is happening? Yes, sir. In this what is happening? They are getting very good design of the cloth. They are getting very good design cloths. Not only that, for very cheap rate. They are getting for very cheap rate. Yes, if you see our handloom cloth, it is very good. Our handloom cloth, it is very good. And what has happened? Its rate is very expensive. Very expensive. Cheaper than cotton or silk. Even though it is popular due to high quality and unique beauty, the Pochampalli saree seems to be expensive. The weavers do not get good rate due to middleman's involvement. Okay, na? So why stiff competition? Because of this, and the weavers are not getting good rate because of whose involvement? Because of the middleman involvement. Middleman's involvement, they are not getting the good rate. Not only that, yes, if you see, the buyers spread all over the world. Buyers are there, but weavers do not have direct contact. Weavers are not having direct contact, and they are not knowing the fashions. Cities are changing. Yes or no? Then the weavers are not getting the what fashion is running in the world. Fashion in cities change fast, and it is difficult for the weavers to know what kind of design are in demand. Okay, yes, therefore they have to rely on middleman to know about the designs in wear and changes their designs accordingly. That is, yes, sir. They also have to depend on middleman for raw materials. And not only that, and this middleman, what is going to do? Yes, sir. He will give an important position in the handloom industry, and they try to get the largest share of the same price. Yes, children? Yes. Now, if you see, in order to overcome these problems, the weavers are encouraged to form cooperative societies. The cooperative societies are meant to help the weavers in buying raw materials at low prices and arrange for marketing of their cloth. That reduces their dependence upon middlemen and traders. The cooperative society should help the weavers by training in a new designs like that. Only the cooperative societies and the government and the banks should give the loans to develop the handloom weavers. Yes, children, with this we are going to complete the lesson. Thank you, children.